Greeting viewers, FireShark welcome all its viewers in today's video. Today we will discuss about physical layer and data link layer of the TCP/IP model. It is the first layer of the TCP/IP model, which is also known as network access layer. This layer is a combination of data link layer and physical layer of the OSI model. It looks out for hardware addressing, and the protocol present in the layer allows for the physical transmission. It is described as residing in layer 3 being encapsulated by layer 2 protocols. The network access layer is the lowest layer of the TCP/IP model hierarchy. The protocol in this layer provides the means for the system to deliver data to other devices on directly attached network. It defines how to use the network to transmit an IP datagram. Unlike high-level protocols, network access layer protocols must know the details of underlying network, its packet structure, addressing, etc., to correctly format the data being transmitted to comply with the network constraints. The TCP/IP network access layer can encompass the functions of all three lower layers of the OSI model, that is, network, data link layer, and the physical layer. The two examples of RFCs that can be defined network access layer protocols are RFC 826 and RFC 894. RFC 826 Address Resolution Protocol (ARP), which maps IP address to the Ethernet addresses. RFC 893, a standard for the transmission of IP datagrams over Ethernet networks. It specifies how IP datagrams can be encapsulated for transmission over Ethernet networks. The network access layer is often ignored by the users. The design of TCP/IP hides the function of lower layers and the better known protocols like IP, TCP, UDP, etc. and all are the higher level protocols. As new hardware technologies appear, this network access protocol must be developed so that TCP/IP network can be used the new hardware. Consequently, there are many access protocols, one for each physical network standard. Implementation of these protocols in this layer often appear as combination of device drivers and related programs. Functions performed at this level includes encapsulation of IP datagrams into frames transmitted by network and mapping of IP addresses to the physical addresses used by the network. One of the TCP/IP's strengths is its universal addressing scheme. The IP addresses must be converted into address that is appropriate for physical network over which datagram is transmitted. The network interface layer is also known as network access layer is responsible for placing TCP/IP packets on the network medium and receiving TCP/IP packets off the network medium. The TCP/IP was designed to be independent of network access method, frame format, and medium. In this way, TCP/IP can be used to connect differing network types. These include LAN technologies such as Ethernet and token rings, and WAN technologies such as X.25 and frame relay. Independence from any specific network technology gives TCP/IP the ability to adapt to new technology such as ATM, which we will see in this figure. How the network layer encompasses the data link layer and physical layer of the OSI model. Note that the internet layer does not take advantage of subsequencing and acknowledgement services that might be present in the data link layer. The unreliable network interface layer is assumed, and reliable communication through the session establishment and sequencing the acknowledgement of packets is responsibility of the transport layer. The network access layer is the layer in the TCP/IP model at which data is transmitted and received across the physical network. The network layer of the TCP/IP model consists of large number of protocols. When the physical network is a LAN, Ethernet at its many variations are most common protocol used. On the other hand, physical network is WAN protocols such as point-to-point protocol and frame relay are common. The network access layer of the TCP/IP model correspond with the data link layer and physical layer of the OSI model. It defines the protocol and hardware required to the connect to host to a physical network and deliver data across it. The packet from the internet layer are sent down the network access layer for the delivery within the physical network. The destination can be another host in its network itself or router for further forwarding. So the internet layer has the view of entire internet works where network access layer is limited to physical layer boundary that is often defined by layer 3 devices such as router. Now we will see some protocols which are several protocols serve various functions at the network layer, including the given protocols. The main protocols in this layer is Ethernet, ATM and FDDI. Also point-to-point protocols are used in this net layer. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in next video and we will discuss about the next layer of the TCP/IP model, that is the internet layer. Thanks for watching.